In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix HBO Max if it isn't working on your Toshiba Smart TV. If you are getting ready to sit down and watch a movie or a show on HBO Max and it isn't working, it can be really frustrating. Well, I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. The first method, and it's probably the easiest one to try, is to try and unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you try this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you your Wi-Fi connection and unplug it for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset its signal and connect it to the internet again. If that fixes your problem, great. If not, let's go on to the next method. Try deleting the HBO Max app off of your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the HBO Max app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this will work. Now, if this doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick. Plug that into your TV and you'll be able to get access to HBO Max that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, throw a thumbs up on it and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.